tracking storms throughout all of West Texas. This is Storm Tracker 9 weather.
Well, boy, definitely another hot one outside today for most of West Texas, as we did get to 99 degrees, a couple of degrees above that normal of 95, and close to that record of 103 set back in 2001. Now, we also did see some pretty strong peak wind gusts out of the southeast around 25 miles per hour, and unfortunately, we didn't have any rain to add to that rain bucket once again. So we did come close, though. We did have some storms out towards the Big Spring area, but those did die out as they tried to inch on closer towards the Medessa area. But we do still have a little bit of lingering thunderstorm activity for portions of southwest Erie County, just to the east of Big Lake. However, most of this will die down as that sun has set and loses most of that daytime heating. We can put things into motion and let you see what happened over the last couple hours. We were watching this little batch of energy really heading on down to the southwest, hoping for some of it to clip the both Midland and Odessa area, but unfortunately, it just really withered on out right before it got to the Midland area. So Big Spring got a nice little dose of some welcome rain showers. However, both Midland and Odessa, unfortunately, did stay dry from this weather maker. High temperatures today, boy, it was a hot one. 103 for both Wink and Pecos, 100 for Seminole and Fort Stockton, another 103 down in the south in Sanderson, and right near 100 degrees for both Midland and Odessa at 98 and 99 degrees. Currently, we have dropped down into the low 90s for Midland, upper 80s for Odessa, as well as Hobbs. Still currently 91 degrees in Pecos, as well as Sanderson. Now, wind speeds are predominantly light out of the northeast, anywhere from around 5 to 15 miles per hour, sustained at 22 miles per hour at Guadalupe Pass. But for the most part, I do think it will be a rather pleasant evening as the winds do die down and the moon does try to make its way out in the next couple of hours. Current temperatures around the state, 87 currently up at Amarillo, 90 out at the airport, a pair of 86s for both Austin and San Antonio, and 83 degrees down in Brownsville. So we can take a look at satellite and radar right now. What's going on? We did see that little bit of batch of energy and moisture trying to inch its way into portions of the Permian Basin. Really just wanted to stay in a northeast corner of the Permian Basin as it didn't make its way down to us. Now, in the national view, we can see plenty of moisture in the Intermountain West, and all of this going up and over that ridge right there, all right here. That is high pressure set in store for the next couple of days, allowing for plenty of heat to continue through our neck of the woods. Now, overnight tonight, we will be mild, partly cloudy skies, so it will keep us a little bit warmer. Temperatures in the low to mid-70s, light south-southeast winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and then kind of a repeat offender of what we saw today. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s. A chance for some afternoon thunderstorms to build for most of the Permian Basin tomorrow as well. For tonight in the Trans-Pecos, mild temperatures in the low to mid-70s, partly cloudy skies, and then warming back tomorrow into the low to mid or upper 90s, I should say, with an afternoon chance for some isolated rain showers as well. For the mountainous regions tonight, partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 60s and mid-70s, mostly light southeast winds around 5 to 15 miles per hour with partly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow we do warm back up into the mid to upper 90s for most locations, possibly even some triple-degree heat down near Presidio. And once again, a chance for an afternoon thunderstorm to develop in the mountainous regions for tomorrow. And then tonight, southeast New Mexico, temperatures in the upper 60s, lower 70s. Tomorrow, warming back up into the mid to upper 90s is once again an afternoon chance for some afternoon thunderstorms to develop. And then the Storm Tracker 9-day forecast, we will see this unsettled weather pattern kind of stick around throughout most of the midweek. Decent shot for rain tomorrow. We kind of dry out on Tuesday, and then another round for some afternoon thunderstorms Wednesday into Thursday. Stay with us. We'll be right back.